Hi guys, welcome back. So I guess the weatherman was accurate in his forecast, predicting that it would be a snowstorm today, Saturday, January 29th, I believe it is. Wowzers. It feels good though. Like you would think it would be colder, but I think somehow the snow makes it warmer outside. At least that's the way it feels. So I'm out here because I love the snow. It's funny, I was coming home yesterday and I stopped on my way home when I was on the train. I ordered some wings at one of my favorite wing spots out here in Upper East Side on First Avenue. And then there was a guy there, he was joking. He's sitting at the bar. I was like, I told the bartender that I was there to pick up my food. I was like, I'm here for a pickup. And the patron at the bar, and I'm surprised the bar was pretty full. I didn't think it would be because the snow actually started yesterday morning. So, but it wasn't looking like this though, because it wasn't sticking. It was kind of rain and snow. It's a mixture. So it didn't look like this. So I was surprised to see that many people at that restaurant. It's a bar, it's a restaurant, right? And so it was a full house. And then the guy was like, oh, I thought you were here to pick me up. I'm like, no. That was funny though. I thought that was a nice joke. He was like, nah, I'm just joking. My wife wouldn't like that. And he's like, oh, you come here for the wings? I was like, hell yeah, the wings are fucking good, right? The flavor, it reminds me of a flavor back home that I used to get at this wing spot off of Edgewood Avenue on the north side called Chicken Coop. But I think it's shut down, so it's no longer there. But sorry, that's the reason why I go there, to that spot. It's like you miss Florida, but you miss the weather there now. I'm like, listen, I only miss it when I think early in the morning I'm headed to work. That's the only bad part about it. But I enjoy the cold weather when I'm not having to get anywhere. Like right now, I don't have a destination necessarily. I'm just out in it. Well, not necessarily. I'm actually running errands. But I don't have to be out here like that. You know, I'm just out here. I'm like, you know, I could have stayed inside, but chose to come out. It's kind of fun though, you think about it. Yeah, I want to take a look. I'm going to flip the camera around. It's kind of fun though. But yeah, isn't that kind of ironic that and I wouldn't say have to, because you don't have to do anything, right? But like when I'm on my way to work, I'm dreading being out, right? I'm like, in the cold. And then like times like now, I don't really have to be out, and I'm out. Isn't that ironic? It's backwards, isn't it? So I feel good. I'm not going to be out long because for some reason, no part of my body really gets cold except for my hands. I am wearing gloves. Let's see, can you guys take a look at my outfit, what I'm wearing here. So I'm wearing this Malian coat. It's very thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. I do have on a scarf. And I'm wearing these boots. But this is the snowstorm here. This is it. And I had to be careful as I was coming down the steps of my building. It's not that many steps though, but I felt like I was gonna slip. I was like, ooh. Ooh. It's funny. Alright, let's see. But this is it. This is the Snowstorm. I do have other gloves that are thicker at the fingertips. I should be wearing them. I don't like wearing gloves. I don't like wearing earmuffs. I like wearing coats that my design of my coats are nice. Some people are out, but a lot of people are not. They're like, fuck this shit. Whatever errands I guess they had to run, I guess they'll postpone it till tomorrow.
No, you're not. You didn't even.
You see, I think that they're pretty good at like clearing off the sidewalks. I think it's a law though. If they don't do it by 11 in the morning, they can get a ticket, I think. So a lot of businesses are pretty good at doing that. Look at my hair. Alright, I'm going to end this video. A lot of businesses are still open though. Alright, take a look at the cars. I always think it's really neat how the snow forms on top of cars. Isn't that pretty cool? Alright, let's end this video. So when I say last year when it came down it was a lot more snow, I really meant to say last winter, which was the winter of 2020 going into 2021. It was a lot of snow to the point where you could you could play in it. Like they shoveled it, right? And then after they shoveled it, it was like mountains of snow that you can just fall in. And I took pictures when that happened. I don't know if it's like that this time around, because it's like rain, it's like wet. It's wet and it's snowing. And when I checked the temperature, I think it's 18 degrees, you guys. 18. Alright, I'm about to end this video. Catch you guys next one.